Hi guys! So, ito na nga. I decided na gawin na itong video na to on how to set up the Annke Wiffle video doorbell kasi alam ko pwede naman kahit hindi pa nakaset up ito sa labas ng bahay or it's either labas ng kwarto. So, for now, I will follow the instruction using the user manual ng product na to. So, as you can see guys, magsa-search lang tayo ng Vico Home sa App Store since I'm using Android as of the moment. So, i-open ko lang si Vico Home. Ayun, nandun na pala. And, just came up here, agree and, yan. Okay, get started now. So, next step natin is, this is my first time and I need to sign up for a new account. Okay, let's put it here. Philippines. Okay. And guys, naputol tayo. Nilagay ko lang yung aking email. Okay, next step tayo. So, antayin lang natin yung verification code dito sa aking email. Ayan. Alright. So, ngayon dito kailangan nating mag-create ng password. Okay, username tayo, which is Jade Pormento na lang yung lalagay ko. And of course, since, ayan, congratulations, you have successfully registered. Please add a device. So, click lang natin yung add new device. And then, alright. So, dapat kailangan na nating i-on yung device. Diba? So, for now, kailangan nating kunin yung pin. Ayan. Maging careful tayo para hindi mawala yung ibang screws. Ayan. Dito, may injection, ano kasi siya. Or, ayan. Tada! Ayan, nandito kasi yung power button niya, yung, ayan, yung SD card na icon, tapos yung dito naman, I think this is the reset button. So, kailangan siyang i-on muna. Kasi dito, plug in the device, kaya, as you can see, ito na lang yung fina-follow ko to make sure na tama yung ginagawa natin. So, for now, I'll turn it on. Ino-open pa ata to. Sorry, this is my first time. Ayun. Ino-open pa. O, diba? Ayan. Para mas makita. Okay. Alright, let's try again. Press and hold ko ng 3 seconds. Wala kasi ang kuko. Ayan. Alright. So, for now, sara ko muna to. As long as ayan. Oh my gosh, nakakakaba. Okay, balik tayo kay application. Ayan. Next step. Allow Vico Home to find, connect, and determine. Allow. Ay, cancel muna natin. I heard beeping sound, so let's proceed. Connect via Wi-Fi. Allow while using the app. So, i-connect ko lang siya sa internet namin. Uy, kinakabahan ako. Wait lang. Ayan. Tapos, enter ko lang yung tapos, kailangan lang, ano ba to? Keep the phone about 6 to 12 inch like this. Ayan o. Kita nyo ba, guys? Ayan.
Connection succeeded.
Alright. Ito muna ilalagay ko siya sa bedroom na lang kasi ilalagay ko muna dahil hindi ko muna siya ma-assign sa aming sa labas. Actually. Okay, let's start. Ayan, andito na kasi nag-show na siya kung paano siya i-proceed. Kung makikita ninyo guys, ayan. Ayan, pwede siya i-glue. I fix the screws to make it tight yung hindi malaglag, kumbaga. Turn on lang natin to. Not now, for now. Okay. Lagay ko muna no thanks. Table now. Lagay ko na lang dito. Ayan, as you can see, nakikita nyo naman na. Tapos, let's check. Ayan. Ay, paano? Ayan guys. O, diba? Ito na yung sa CCTV. Ayan. Ayan. Ito, iaangat-angat ko lang. Tapos, try kong pindutin. I think I need to put it back muna. Dito yung charging point na. Ayun. Ay, mali na ako. Diba? Nag-alarm siya kasi. Ayun na. Kasi kailangan pala natin i-secure mismo. Like, kunwari nalaglag, ganyan. Ayan. Alright. Ayan o, nakikita na ako. Oh my gosh. Tapos try natin. Ayan. Ipapakita ko yung let's check. Kasi nagsisave na kasi siya. Ayan. Connecting pa siya. Hindi pala siya ganun kahirap or hindi siya mahirap i-set up. It's actually yan, how to record din. Ayan. Ayan yun ha. Oh. See? And then my face and everything. Diba? Ayan. Voice over ko na lang. Alright. Ayan. Humihina na yung connection kasi yung wifi dito. Let's press this. Hindi. Ito, not sure yet kung para saan to. But, ayan o, naka-live din siya. So, dapat malaki din memory mo dito. For now, let's cut the video quick and I'll just need to check para saan ito. Hey guys, I'm back. So, I have this, yun nga, yung product kanina. And I have my power bank. Ayan. I'll put it here. Ayan. Let's try kung gagana. Okay, let's try one more. They're actually synced in or nag-sync. They're sync. So, ang layo dapat ng doorbell nito, doorbell chime mo sa doorbell is 2 meters away lang. Para if ever na pinindot natin ito, ayan, wait lang. Oops. Let's check. Ayan. Ayan, nagde-detect din siya dito, ha? Let's try. One more. Ayan. Ito guys, it might be better na nakakonect ito sa isang charging port. Kasi once na nag-turn off kasi kanina si power bank, nagto-turn off na rin yung eto niya. So, let's try one more. Diba? Nawawala na. Pindutin ko ulit. Ay, amaze lang na akala ko nung una kasi it's really hard to set up this product kasi sabi ko, ay, doorbell, tapos it's kind of parang CCTV, it's a technical, masyadong technical kumbaga. Pero for now, I'm really amazed and happy na I was able to fix it na after ng unboxing, di ba, nag-decide na ako agad-agad na let's set it up. So, I'm so happy and fulfilled na dahil, ayun nga, natapos ko yung setup kahit na first time ko lang gawin ito. But again guys, I'll try to give you another video or maybe part 2 para if ever na mai-setup natin or mai-setup ko sa magandang place or location itong doorbell, mas better at para mas maganda yung ating test para sa product na ito. But for now, thank you so much for watching my video. So be safe and have a good day guys. Thank you! Hi guys! So kapag interesado kayo at mag-purchase din like this, you can click the link on the description box. Ayan, nakalagay dyan. And you can also use my code. Yan yung nasa screen po ninyo. I can also put that or include that on the description box so that you can get the $5 discount off for this item. So for now guys, if you have any question, feel free to comment down below. Thank you so much and have a good day.